Muse Glimmer, really impressed with this model. It even added a sound, and this is one of the best looking games that I've seen, built by one of the local AIs in the 30 billion parameter model family. Meta just released the Muse Glimmer 30B, a brand new open weight model, and I will be testing that today on my DGX Spark. And this is a full 30B heavy full weights model, BF16 model. So I've got some results to show you. I am comparing it against the Quen 3.6 27B, um, and the results are very interesting. Okay, here we go. First, I did 5 tests. I mean, 4 tests overall: the concurrency test, the prompt scaling, generation, length, long context, and this model overall is a very strong model. And I tested it against the Quen 3.6 27B. This is the cut down version, not the BF16 version, and it still performed really well against Muse. If you look at the overall scoring, concurrency is at 100 for Quen 3.6 and 60 score for Muse Glimmer 30B, and it did really well in prompt scaling against the Quen 3.6. The load times here um, takes much longer to load the 30B Muse Glimmer. That is because this is a BF16 model. It's a full weights model, um, and that's expected. And so is load memory time. The Muse is taking a lot longer. Concurrency is when multiple users are sent to the DGX at the same time. Quen 3.6 beats it, beats Muse in this. And then let's see here, the prompt speed. Yeah, concurrency speed still. Um, Quen 3.6 is the winner there. And besides these tests, I did do some visual tests as well, and we'll go through them next. But if you look at the long, pretty much Quen 3.6 is still the winner, and this is kind of stand out because, like I said before, the the Quen 3.6 is not the full weights model. This is not the BF16 version, and the Muse is, and so I mean at this point, uh, the 3.6 27B is still the king, and but I mean, Muse held up pretty well. So let's go over to the 3 visual tests that I did, and those are all HTML files, so we can um, click into them and play around and check what how Muse did. Okay, let's start and take a look at this game. All right, it's got little animations with the tail, and there's even a sound coming from my speaker, so I can hear it. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but it's keeping a score. It's keeping Beck's a best score, and let's see if you can keep it going. How far I can go. Let's keep it going. Oh yeah, 13. Yep, keeping score. There. Okay, there we go. So best score. Yep, score, best score. It gave me even silver. Um, Run ended. No complaints. This looks really well. I mean, I'm not sure how I pause it. Maybe up here. There we go. Oh, okay. So the pause works. Start game works. Everything works. Muse did an amazing job. Meta, really good job. Thank you for releasing this model. The open open weights model is really amazing. The OpenAI community, local community, really appreciates Meta for doing this. Um, and this model is, so far, all the tests, it's doing really good. And it's not compared. I mean, it's not comparable to Quen 3.6, but we are really impressed with this model overall. Okay, okay. So the next prompt that I gave it was this OS style, like a Linux style, just a file manager, maybe small browser, and it did not do a good job. It's basically a blank screen. I can't click on anything. There's no file manager. There's no browser. So I just wanted to show you that it did not do a good job with this one. So let's move on to the third test that I did. Okay, so this is the third and final test, and let's take a look. Okay, wow, it shoots even. Um, nice. Okay, so this is like some kind of game where you have to get away from these things that are chasing you, and you can shoot with the space bar. Um, very nice. I like it. It's got good animations, good lighting, neon style lighting in this game. Okay, so I can they keep chasing me. Oh, okay, so I have a health score of 84. So far, my high score is at 400. So if I keep getting away from these guys, the score keeps going up. Awesome. There's a time lapse. Did a really good job. Wow, very impressed with this. Yikes. Okay, let's let it attack them. Okay, so best score, 62 seconds. Really good, and really impressed with this result. Okay, so there you have it. Thank you for watching. This model did a pretty good job overall. I'm really liking this model, but I don't think I'm going to switch over from the Quen 3.6 yet. Um, if you're watching this video, it's probably now that Quen 3.8 27B has been released. So I'm really looking forward to testing that model. Let me know if you guys want to see that model tested. And also there is the NVIDIA Nemotron 3.5 Lightning 30B. That model was just released a couple of days ago. So let me know if you guys want to see a test, maybe the 3.8 Quen versus the Nemotron 3.5. So let me know if you guys want to see that, and I can make a video. So thank you so much. Have a good day.